Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 2149, rearrange array elements by sign. So it's a easy problem to solve and they have tagged it as a medium problem, but that's fine. We'll check out the problem statement first, we'll then look into the approach which you're going to use, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it is given that we'll get a zero indexed integer array nums of even length consisting of an equal number of positive and negative integers. Okay, you should rearrange the elements of num such that the modified array follows the given condition. And the conditions are every consecutive pairs of integers have opposite signs. For all integers with same sign, the order in which they were present in nums is preserved, and the rearranged array begins with a positive integer. Okay, I think it's fine. And we have to return the modified array after rearranging the elements to satisfy the aforementioned conditions. And they have given two examples over here as well. So let's check out the approach which we can use to solve this question. Okay, so we'll be using arrays and two pointer approach to solve this question. And what we will be doing, so I'll first take two arrays. Let's name them positive for storing all the positive integers and negative for storing all the negative integers. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just simply iterate through this through the given array, and I'll add all the integers. Like if it is a positive integer, I'll add that in POS. For example, I have 3, 1 and 2. Okay, now in the negative integers, we'll add all the negative values, which were -2, -5 and -4. And as you're using array, so it will make sure that all these integers are in the same order of appearance. For example, 1 was appearing after 3 in the given array, so that will be the same condition over here as well. Now they have mentioned that number of positive and negative integers will always be equal. So it is given that length of POS will always be equal to length of negatives. Okay, so now what we can do, we can take a pointer, let's name it PTR, and we can run a loop, a while loop. Let's say while pointer is less than length of POS, and we'll have to we'll initialize it with 0, like we'll initialize the pointer with 0. And while pointer is less than length of POS, then what you'll have to do, you'll have to append the element at this index at I or pointer index from both the arrays. For example, result.append POS PTR and result.append negative PTR. And at the end, you will simply just return the resultant array. So this is a simple code, and this will be the simplest logic which I was able to come up with. Let's check out the code for the same. And while writing the solution, I think I have also made one mistake, so I'll fix that on the go. So if you see, this is the part where we are preparing two arrays, positive and negative. Okay, and for doing that, we are just simply traversing the nums array, and if checking if the number is greater than 0, we are adding it in POS, otherwise we are adding it in negative. Now I made one mistake here. I think we don't need two individual pointers to store the the current index, because the number of positives and negatives will be always equal. So what I'll do, I'll initialize the index variable with 0 and the resultant in empty array as my result. And what we will do, we will just check if my index is less than length of positive or negative. You can add any, you can have any over here. And in the while loop, we will be adding the value at pointer from both the index or from both the arrays in the resultant array. Okay, and at the end, I'll just simply increment index with +1. And at the end we are returning the resultant array. So this is the complete solution. Let's check out if our test cases are getting passed. Yeah, so the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation. And yeah, so the solution got accepted. And I don't know, like it didn't perform well on the runtime front, but it is like decent on the memory front. So yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks for watching out the video. Stay tuned to the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.